Hello, welcome back to the Travel Becomes Me channel and the Secret of a Luxury Travel Expert Fundamental series. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to check the safety and maintenance records of an airline, particularly low-cost airlines, before you travel with them. But first, if this is your first time tuning into one of our videos, I'm Kira. I am a finance lawyer, an author, but most importantly, and probably the reason why you're here, is I'm a luxury travel enthusiast and educator that's been to over 60 countries and overseas territories using the strategies and tools that I found have been helpful in traveling lux for less. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you find the content of this video helpful, make sure you share it with others that you think it would be helpful for. So let's get into today's topic. So I often use low-cost airlines for regional travel. I don't use them so much for transatlantic or transpacific flights, but I do find that they're helpful for taking short, like 30-minute, 1 hour, max 2-hour flights. So what I like to do before doing that is making sure that I verify the safety and maintenance records of the airlines before I decide to book. Now, the most tragic thing that could happen, obviously, is the plane getting into an accident or crash. But, that doesn't happen as frequently relative to the amount of flights that are taken on in air travel, right? But what happens more frequently and can sometimes be disastrous as well is flight delays or cancellations because the aircraft is not being properly maintained. And so we like to try to avoid that as well, because delays in travel, particularly if you're traveling with paid time off, can become very stressful and impactful if you have things to do. So really there are 3 different tools that I like to use to check the safety and maintenance records of airlines to determine whether or not I am comfortable flying with them. So first is the U.S. Federal Aviation International Safety Assessment tool. And I'll link to all of these tools in the description down below if you want to just use them. They're all free. The second is the European Air Safety List, which is also another great tool. Last is the United Nations International Aviation Safety Audit Tool. All of these tools tell you whether or not the particular airline that you're looking up is using safety protocol according to safety standards that are broadly recognized, so that you can feel some ease and comfort in knowing that the aircraft that you're flying on should be relatively safe for travel. So that's it. You plug in to the tool the name of the airline that you think you're going to fly on. You see whether or not they are up to par, and then you can have some confidence in booking that trip. So that's all I want to cover today. If you have any questions, make sure that you comment down below so I can respond to your question, and I will see you in the next video.